In that paragraph second, it says, more than most people, the alcoholic leads a double life. He is very much the actor. To the outside world, he presents a stage character. This is the one he likes his fellows to see. He wants to enjoy a certain reputation, but knows in his heart he does not deserve it. So this is what you are explaining. You say that you are feeling guilty. Why this is there is something called a human conscience. Can you look at, I can convince my wife by saying 100 things. I can convince you by saying 100 things. But can I convince myself when I look in the mirror? That is what. So what is self-esteem is, your self-esteem will be okay when you have not done anything wrong. So why an alcoholic has got low self-esteem is, his whole life is run of secrets. And it's told very clearly, and it says the inconsistency is made worse by the things he does on his spree. 8-10 महीने दारू नहीं पिया, अच्छा नाम कमाया, वो एक हफ्ते के अंदर जो नहीं करने का सब कर देता है. Coming to his senses, he is revolted at certain episodes. He vaguely remembers in blackouts. These memories are nightmare. He trembles to think someone might have observed him. As fast as he can, he pushes these memories far inside himself. He hopes they will never see the light of the day. He is under constant fear and tension that makes for more drinking. So this is a prelude to step 5. I will go there later. Now coming to step 4. Chandra, you will make 4 columns, you don't mind. Mm-hmm. There are 4 columns in the step. 4th step inventory is basically, we are taking an inventory of ourselves. What is an inventory? In the inventory it says, we took stock of unsaleable and useless goods. Unsaleable, useless goods. तो ये ह्यूमन का स्टॉक इन ट्रेड क्या है, उसका सोच, उसका एटीट्यूड, उसका इमोशन है. वो रहेगी अब तो हमारा बिजनेस ऑफ रनिंग लाइफ, जिंदगी चलाने का बिजनेस है, वो बराबर जाएगा, नहीं तो प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है. तो नाउ द फर्स्ट कॉलम हैज, when you are putting the resentment list means running up to down. When it says you put the resentment list, you put all the names first. All the names. List का मतलब है ऊपर से नीचे आने का. Then the next thing is the cause. What is the person causing you? And where does it affect me? And the last column, which is not in the book, but which is written, we put them on paper, that is where am I wrong. Now I want somebody with an open mind who can take little bit of criticism, and it is a part of recovery. We are doing A work. Is there anybody who would love to participate in this particular thing? Anybody?
कोई खुद का एग्जाम्पल इस पे ले सकता है क्या?
Just an example. We are not going very deep into that. आप बताइए, आपका अगर रिसेंटमेंट मतलब गुस्सा है, आपका फैमिली के अंदर किसके ऊपर आपको थोड़ा इरिटेशन है? नहीं, हमारा मतलब ये ज्यादा नहीं बात करेंगे. Okay, 1 minute. Wife. See, what happens is, resentment always happens with the people who are very close to you. Resentment does not. That is why in the book he has given the example of wife. He will not be resentful with your strangers. And एक कारण दे दीजिए बस.
For trivial matters, hops and goes to a home and doesn't come back.
Okay, trivial matters.
For days and days.
Okay. Thank you.
Raj,
take 4 or 5 of these.
When we talk of resentment, I just want a small clarification. Is, let's say, a small time irritation or impatience, does that qualify as a resentment?
If it is coming again and again into your mind, that means it is. मैं एक एग्जाम्पल देता हूँ आपको.
Revisiting.
फुटबॉल खेल रहे, मैच चल रहे, फुटबॉल ऐसे मारा, किसी को लग गया उधर और बहुत पेन है, वो गिर गया. अगर उसको ज्यादा चोट नहीं लगा तो तुरंत वो खेलता है, नहीं तो स्ट्रेचर में लेके जाता है. अभी ज्यादा नहीं लगा तो खेल चलता है. खेल चलते चलते कमेंटेटर बोलेगा ऐसे ऐसे ऐसे, थोड़ा गैप मिला तो उसका चोट लगा, वो कैमरा में दिखाओ. अभी दूसरा कैमरा में दिखा रहे, अभी स्लो मोशन में दिखा रहे. वो बॉल मारा, इसको चोट लगा, इसका पेन और ज्यादा दिख रहा है। थोड़ी देर मैच चल रहे है, वो कमेंटेटर बोलता है वो कैमरा से दिखाओ। 15-20 कैमरा है, हर एंगल से दिखाते आ रहा है। हर बार एक बार लगा चोट, बट बार बार उसको एक्सपीरियंस करता है। ऐसे हमारा अंदर है। तो ऐसे सोचते 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 क्या हो जाएगा, मैं कुछ नहीं किया, ये आके मेरे को मारा। So that is how our mind will trick. That is why it says thorough and honest and fearless. So छोटा छोटा मैटर में इरिटेशन। वो छोटा मैटर क्या, एक एग्जांपल दे दीजिए। ट्रिवियल मैटर क्या है?
Regarding my parents,
Okay. Anything else? 1 minute. 1 minute. Anything else?
like you're absolutely all right. I'm so self-centered. Everything I purchase, I'm so insecure. It has to be my plot, my car, my hospital. To the point, she owes nothing till there.
ओके नो कारण और कुछ कारण, अभी ट्रिवियल पॉइंट्स के लिए झगड़ा करती है, और कुछ है क्या?
और पहले बिफोर मैरिज शी हैड एन अफेयर, उसको लेके आई यूज्ड टू पोक एंड पोक हर।
ओके, और कुछ कारण दे दीजिए। दारू के बारे में कभी कुछ बताया?
दारू पी के मैंने इवन आई हिट हर
नहीं, दारू पीने के बारे में कुछ बताया कभी? बंद कर दीजिए।
मेनी टाइम्स।
Many times. That also, stop drinking. So now,
No, one more thing. Well, you go maybe 3 or 4.
so we will not deal with the other matter. We will, because this is being recorded.
Okay.
So the trivial matter is, I will tell you what is a trivial matter. For an alcoholic, what is the important matter is anything connected with him. Anything that is not connected with me is a trivial matter. My mother is suffering from jaundice. That is a trivial matter. It is not my mother. It is your mother. I have to go visit my mother because somebody else is coming. That is your relative. I am not bothered. So trivial matter, first of all, we will come to this trivial matter. And she is going to her in-laws place. It affects your self-esteem. Self-esteem मतलब मेरे छोड़ के घर जा रहे, कैसे जा सकते? मैं मर्द हूँ, husband हूँ. So it affects your self-esteem.
Right.
Second, it affects your pride. मेरा, मैं बोल रहा हूं, तुम जा रहे. Third, it affects your social instinct. फ्रेंड्स आके पूछा, प्रोफेसर जी किधर है मिसेस? तो क्या बोल सकता है? सोसाइटी में इर्द गिर्द में बाजू वाला फ्लैट में पूछेगा, मैं बोलने का, वो गई उधर, वो क्यों बार बार जा रही हो? उसको भी जवाब देना पड़ता है. It affects your social and it affects your personal relationship. My personal relationship and my sex relationship. So one action of hers going to her mother's place is affecting so much. And I will ask you one thing, in a year how many times she goes? 3-4 times a month. Okay. Now,
What's the serious one? 3-4 times in a year.
3-4 times or once in a year. That is once in 4 months or 3 months. So once in 4 months or 3 months, your wife going and meeting their parents, and does she go there and stay for months together or how many days? How many days? That is all.
After the fight, she never comes there until I surrender myself.
Okay. Without fight?
Without fight, she comes back after 2
Okay.
hours.
So now you have to tell me how many times in a year she goes without fight or with fight?
Without fight, 3-4 times in a month. Because she's her house is just only 2-3 kilometers away.
Okay. So now what we are dealing here is, I will give you an example. You are going to your office, you are coming back in the evening, and 2-3 kilometers away uska parents hai. And she loves their parents, maybe they are old, whatever reason, are they staying alone?
Staying with this.
So she goes there because she is attached to their parents. Now there are 2 ways of solving. Either you can tell her. Another thing is, if we keep on drinking, the wives, they've got one way of showing us is they will go to their mother's house. मतलब वो कम्युनिकेशन होता है. कम्युनिकेशन क्या होता है? हस्बैंड और वाइफ का झगड़ा होता है तो बात नहीं करता है, बट एक्शन में होगा. खाना लगाओ, प्लेट रखा है, वो बर्तन लेके खा लो, और कुछ चाहिए तो बताओ, धमाल बेडरूम क्लोज किया. अरे धीरे से. तो कम्युनिकेशन इज नॉट ओनली इन योर स्पीच, it is in the action. So when she is going very regularly, she is directly implying, whenever I am at home, you are drinking. I have told you many times not to drink. So if the wife is happy, she will not go. So in what way I am making her unhappy? And if it is only 2-3 kilometers, I thought it is very far away. तो आपका फ्लाइट का खर्चा कुछ नहीं है, ट्रेन का खर्चा कुछ नहीं है. अगर समझो सास वो ऑस्ट्रेलिया में तो फट जाएगा हमारा. तो बाजू में 2-3 किलोमीटर है, शुक्र है खुदा का. तो लेटर गो एंड कम. सो व्हाट दैट शोज फर्स्ट इज इंटॉलरेंस. इंटॉलरेंस, टॉलरेंस का मतलब क्या है? टॉलरेट करने का. ठीक है, मैं इतना दारू पी रहा हूं, मैं इतना ये कर रहा हूं, वो बर्दाश्त कर रही है. शादी होके कितना साल हुआ आपको? 15 years. In 15 years, many times you might have abused her physically, verbally, so many things. And to live with an alcoholic is very difficult. आज शाम को आएगा, पी के क्या करेगा? झगड़ा करेगा या आराम से खा के सोएगा, नहीं तो बाहर जाने के लिए बताएगा. So every day for them is very difficult. That is why they become very neurotics. That is why we have got Al-Anons for them. That is why they have got the steps. So they are not living with a normal person. अभी दिवाली हुआ तो सबका घर पे अच्छा लग रहा है. हमारा अल्कोहलिक का फैमिली में त्योहार में भी फाइट होगा. Only on functions you see they will fight. परचेस के लिए 7 महीने ले जा सकते हैं. Husband and wife generally they will go for purchase. Alcoholic's wife will go alone. Because दिवाली के एक हफ्ते पहले ये चालू कर देगा दारू. क्रिसमस आए तो हम क्रिश्चियन भी नहीं पिएंगे, कैथोलिक्स भी नहीं है, क्रिश्चियन हैप्पी क्रिसमस. अरे तो क्या क्रिश्चियन नहीं है यार, क्यों पी रहे? वो अलग बात है, सब लोग मजा कर रहे हैं, मैं भी पी रहा हूं बस. तो नाउ वी आर इंटॉलरेंट. इंटॉलरेंट का मतलब क्या है? थोड़ा सोचा, इधर बाजू में है, जाके आ रही है, जाने दो ना. उसकी वजह से आपको तकलीफ हुआ, वो बोलने का. तकलीफ क्या हो रहा है आप बताइए.
I have to name the chotis of my kids, which I don't know. I have to give answer to my parents and to the society. Where is ma'am? Where is ma'am?
No, you are not responsible for the society. See, ऐसे हुआ तो ऐसे सोचेंगे. कितना दिन आप दारू पी के गिराया है और कोई आके पूछता है हस्बैंड की तरह, तो व्हाट आंसर शी विल गिव? हाँ, so she also has to lie. You also have to lie. ऐसे गया मजे में. अब क्यों बोलने का झगड़ा किया? वो बोल रहे दारू पी के गिरा, नहीं बोलती है ना, आराम से सो रहे. So every time she is lying for you, she is feeling bad. वो सच नहीं बोल सकती. ठीक है, शाम को डिनर है, उधर जाने का आप नहीं जा सकते, ज्यादा हो गया बार में, तो आज नहीं आता हूं. कितना बार हमने डिनर कैंसिल किया, सास का घर जाने पे डिनर कैंसिल किया, ये किया वो किया. तो हम ऐसे देखा तो बाय नेचर वी आर हाईली इंटॉलरेंट पीपल. सो ये ट्रिवियल मैटर फॉर एन अल्कोहलिक इज नॉट एनीथिंग नॉट कनेक्टेड विथ हिम इज ट्रिवियल. अरे मेरा संबंध नहीं है तो वो ट्रिवियल मैटर है. The wife says, my father is having a heart attack. क्या बात? अरे सॉरी, because we are not actually worried. सच में ये गलत नहीं है. This is only a moral inventory we are taking. So when you are looking at that, basically we are intolerant. Another thing is we are not very understanding type. समझाने का. अल्कोहलिक का कैसे है, दूसरा वाला सामने वाला गलत किया तो उसको सजा मिलने का. मैं गलत किया तो थोड़ा समझा करने का, थोड़ा समझा करेगा मैं क्यों किया, इसका क्या हुआ, और लंबा कहानी हुआ. तो व्हाट वी आर एक्सपेक्टिंग इज वी आर एक्सपेक्टिंग अदर पीपल टू चेंज सो मेनी थिंग्स. But by that lady staying at home, it is going to be the same evening, every day seeing the husband drunk, then it is not going to be a happy. We don't take this personally, Professor Ji. Hello? So, 1 minute. So it is affecting all these things, and where am I wrong is, next time you try to be tolerant. Because, जैसे क्या बोलता है, what you sow, so you reap in Hindi.
जैसी करनी वैसी बननी.
So when we sow hatred, anger, resentment, suspicion, this is what we get back. So we are unloving, unkind people. Can you honestly say that I am a very loving, understanding husband? Nobody is. So it is wrong to find a perfect wife or a wife to find a perfect husband. I want to find Mr. Right, मतलब वो बुढ़ापे तक शादी नहीं होगा. Because there is no Mr. Right. And same thing. So what we are expecting is, we are expecting the other person to be exactly how we want to behave, when we want to behave, and where. So now this small incident shows, you said it is a trivial matter. Trivial matter क्या है वो देखने का. Trivial matter मतलब आपको ट्रिवियल लगेगा. अभी एग्जाम्पल, मेरा घर पे वो जो कमोड का सीट के ऊपर झगड़ा होगा, नीचे ऊपर मेरा क्या फर्क पड़ता है, तो शी विल गेट एंग्री विद दैट. सो व्हेन आई अंडरस्टूड व्हाट इज द एक्चुअल प्रॉब्लम, देन आई स्टार्टेड करेक्टिंग इट. तब तक सामने वाला प्रॉब्लम हम समझने का कोशिश नहीं करते हैं, तो देन वी विल ऑलवेज बी ब्लेमिंग. So if she is going repeatedly to her in-laws place, either she is not having that kind of peace, calm at home, or she wants to go and talk to their parents. 15 years with an alcoholic husband is a very difficult thing. बहुत मुश्किल होता है. Though you may not drink in the morning. Another thing is, a marriage is held by many things, not just money and security. वो तो फिर लड़कियां पूरा बैंक और एटीएम को शादी करें. They don't want to इट इज नॉट जस्ट सिक्योरिटी.
Problem is not that she goes to her parents. The problem is that those 3-4 times that she goes for a longer period, she has made another mother-in-law for me, and that's her sister.
Okay.
अब sister के यहाँ कौन भागता है, भाग के जाता है. अब पेरेंट्स के यहाँ से तो you can bring her back, just it's only 2-3 kilometers away. But to go and apologize all the way to Delhi, so this has become this bit humility.
Okay. So what? Yeah.
I think she is showing her displeasure to him.
1 minute. Let me finish. So what you have to understand here is, हर इंसान को किधर ना किधर भागने का मन करता है. कभी ये मन करता है जहां वो है उधर शांत नहीं है. So there are certain things which you are doing which is bothering her. So she is going, and again you are going and surrendering and coming. So what is happening is, every time you are making a promise, अगले बार ये नहीं होगा, फिर वही हो रहा है. अगर वो नहीं हुआ तो वो नहीं जाएगी. So can you say that you have ever kept your word honestly? Can you say you have kept your word honestly?
In few aspects.
The other aspects, no. So generally then we can say we are dishonest. So what we are is, in nutshell, very dishonest, not understanding, intolerant husband. So this is what we come out with. Because this is a very personal thing, I do not want to take more of this. I will take something else. Anybody has got a problem in workplace with a boss? Yes. You can tell me. What is the name of the boss? No, name not necessary. You tell him the cause.
I don't have a boss. I have my own work.
Okay.
My brother is my partner.
Okay.
I have a problem with my brother.
Okay. So, brother, what is the cause? Can you give me one cause?
Yeah, one cause is that we had bought a place where we were supposed to shift.
Very nutshell, you should tell me the cause.
Yeah, we were supposed to shift to another place, but he is not interested in shifting over there.
Okay. So he does not want to shift. He wants to continue where you are.
Yeah, that's right.
Okay. So now, you are the elder brother?
I'm the elder.
Okay, now where it affects you, the first thing it affects you is your pride. Because you are the elder brother, wo chota sunta nahi. It affects your self-esteem. It affects your personal relationship with him. It affects your ambition, because you want to do your business there. Okay. Now, where are we wrong, we will find out. There are very specific questions I want to ask you. You will have to answer yes or no. So that will be very easy. How long the partnership you are together?
Now it's almost 30 years.
In 30 years, how long you have been sober?
I've been sober 12 years now.
12 years. So 12 years before the 18 years, you were drinking?
I was drinking.
And how much of active participation you took? Very honestly.
It was the last years of my drinking, it was very less.
So that means you are not involved much in the day-to-day activity or how it was running, whatever it is. So now in the last 12 years you have got, and you have got certain ideas.
I'm sort of, become 50% now. Half. I would like to be the dominating one now.
Okay.
But now I'm almost equal to him in society.
What you have to understand is, in this 30 years of partnership, the majority of time you are drinking. In that, the maximum time in the end, you said you are heavily drinking. And to have a partner who is constantly drinking is very difficult for the other person to take up decisions. So he may, and by any chance does he drink?
He's not an alcoholic.
Okay. So now what you have to understand is, in the home what happens is, when a husband starts to continuously drink and is unable to support the family, the wives will start to go for work, generally. And they will start working, 5-10 साल हो गया, suddenly alcoholic एक दिन सोबर हो जाता है. सोबर रख के 3 साल के अंदर वो बोलेगा नौकरी सब छोड़ दो, मैं करता हूँ. I am the man of the house. The wife will not trust him because he has done this many times. Now she has found some security, some job. अभी छोड़ने का नहीं. तुम दारू छोड़ दिया, छोड़ दो, बट काम नहीं छोड़ूंगा. So, but who made her responsible for that work is the husband only. Husband made her wear the pants and go get the job. The same thing in our effect is, the 18 years of drinking, the last few years of drinking when it was really bad, he could have actually said cut the partnership if need be. He has not. So he has overlooked all those things. So we have to be grateful. Though he is a younger brother, he has done his best. How far it is right, wrong, I will not discuss that matter. But we are only looking at where we are wrong. Where we are wrong, according to this situation. So according to this situation, that 18 years when we did last, how many years you were really in a bad condition? 4-5 years?
For 5 years, I used to drink in the evening, but would have a hangover in the morning, would not be able to work.
So 5 years means, out of that 18 years of drinking, 13 years or something you did, and last 5 years you could not do anything. So he had many options. He could have left you and started something. He could have done something on his own, but he did not. So what we have to do is, business always is give and take. Relationship is always give and take. Partnership is 50-50. Relationship 50-50 नहीं है. Relationship कभी-कभी 0-100 होता है, कभी 100-0 होता है. तो जब भी आप 0, वो 100% था. वो आपका काम भी किया. So this is more than partnership. This is a relationship. It is between brother. So he has held on to that business. जब भी आप नहीं कर सकते थे, दारू पी के इतना प्रॉब्लम होते टाइम पे, वो बिजनेस को संभाल रहा था. आपको जो प्रॉफिट था वो भी दे रहा था. So I'm just telling. So what we have to understand is, we cannot be grateful for our things people have done for us. Because generally an alcoholic survives his alcoholism only by the great love and affection of other people. Alcoholic survives because of his wife's patience, in-laws' patience, society's patience. सबका patience check बहुत ये होता है. I'm just giving an example. These are all things you have to do with your sponsor. I'm उदाहरण दे रहा हूँ. तो sponsor के साथ बैठा तो और बहुत सवाल पूछेगा. तो how we corner is, एक उदाहरण देता हूँ. एक बंदा ने बता रहे मेरे को बीवी ने नैक कर रही है. क्या नैक कर रही है? पैसे कमाओ, ये कमाओ, वो करो, ये करो. तो मैं बताया उसमें गलत क्या है? डेली यही बोल रही है. तो when I asked him how long you are married, he said 20 years. I said, how many times you have gifted her anything for her anniversary? वो सोच रहे हैं. तो और कुछ पूछ रहा हूं, और कुछ पूछ रहा हूं, और कुछ पूछ रहा हूं, बट मेरे को पता है उसको रानी की तरह रखा हूं. उसका सोच में वैसे है, मैं बीवी को रानी की तरह रखा हूं, उसका घर पे बाय भी नहीं है. मैंने बताया रानी कभी भी झाड़ू पोछा नहीं करती है. See, it is his perception. He does not know the damage he has done to others. So what happens in this is, we said our ideas, emotions and attitudes change. The emotions are my feeling, the cause. The ideas are what I have because of this, because of that she is doing. How my attitude changes is when I come to know where I am wrong. बस में किसी ने हमको पैर के ऊपर पैर रख दिया, हमने उसको पुश कर रहे, उसको गुस्सा आता है, फिर हम बोल रहे यू आर स्टैंडिंग ऑन माई फीट. ही सेज सॉरी सर. उसका गलती क्या मालूम हो गया तो इमीडिएटली ही सेज दैट्स व्हाट वी डू इन आवर ए प्रोग्राम, वी गो एंड मेक अमेंड्स. So what we have to do is, this is a very delicate subject which cannot be generally spoken. This has to be done with a sponsor. आपको एक आइडिया देने के लिए दे रहा हूं. तो उसका माइंड में रानी की तरह रखा है. 20 साल हो गया शादी करके, 18 साल से दारू पी रहे, 10 बार उसको घर से भगा दिया. रात को 12 बजे 1 बजे वायलेंटली हैज बीटन हर अप, गाली दिया, ये किया वो किया. सो आई सेड ये कौन सा रानी है फिर? So what is his perception? An alcoholic has got a separate perception. So we always have resentment towards others. The book says, however wrong the other person is, we disregard it entirely. And we have to see where we are wrong.
Wrongs which you have to look at, it can happen any time during the past.
Yes. What you have to do is, this is a first step inventory, means basically you put all the names of the people you have got a resentment, then you put the cause, then you put where it affects you, then with the sponsor when you sit, he will tell you where you are wrong. This is the only step for which you require a sponsor. Are everybody clear with this?
Yeah.
Any doubt? Yes.
I want to go back to your first example.
Yeah.
That lady knows that this action of hers bugs him. So she does it to get at him.
That is what I said. Communication means I gave
There
you.
is nothing wrong with it.
No, 1 minute.
So we have to bring out our assets also. Maybe
1 minute. When we say inventory, let me go by the book. We are not sharing opinion here. Whatever assets we had, it has outweighed it. Our wrongs have outweighed our assets. We have got more liability. That's why we are in the red. So our assets, if it is helpful, I have seen alcoholics with great talents, great musicians, some of the most talented people. But whatever talents you have, whatever assets you have, they will all go down to dust.
So where am I going to find my assets? If you want me to follow this path.
See, the only way you can find your assets is to build the assets, because these are all.
I'm sorry. The inventory, it is written in our book. It is indeed a bad day when everything is in the red. Okay? Through my inventory, I will find what are my assets, what are my good points.
No, let me finish it this way. The book again says, we find where we are wrong. It is not talking about. No, let me finish it. I am going by the book, not opinion. I am not sharing opinion here. Neither I want to hear opinions also. I am just talking about the book and what it says. Because there is a lot of confusion about 4th step. You write your assets. There is nowhere it is mentioned that you write your assets. You may be good. That is okay. Let it be. We are only talking about where we are wrong. So we are only looking at it. Says, however wrong the other person may be, we are trying to see where we are wrong. And another thing is, this step is only a beginning to go to step 5. In step 5, what do? You admit to yourself, to God, to another human being, the exact nature of wrongs. And this is not a self-help program where you make this, find out what you are and you can correct yourself. How are you going to get rid of your wrongs and mistakes? We are entirely ready to have God remove these defects of character. Then the seventh step is a prayer. One minute. Let me finish it. So,
I don't agree.
no, you can agree or disagree. That is, I've told you in the beginning also, whatever I say may disturb, you may agree or disagree. But that is a part of recovery. So if you disagree, I will quote only what the book says. Whatever. Yeah, but it is nowhere written that we have to see where our assets are. Nowhere. It is only said we find out where we are wrong. Finding where we are wrong is the only thing. So let us not go. You can find out and you let me know. Till that I will continue. So now anybody else, like the boss you said, like the brother, what we forget is, we very quickly forget the gratitude. Gratitude क्या होता है? मेरा अच्छा बुरा टाइम में ये बंदा मेरे को हेल्प किया. And after all, he is my brother. And just because he is not shifting to where I want, this is again self-will run right. Maybe it is right. But there is a reason to sit and communicate. Normal people sit and talk. They sort out their issues. But we keep this in our mind. So talk it out. If you want to, you can communicate. So what we are finding is, we find that we are people, we are not thankful, we are not grateful. We don't have much gratitude. And we have got self-will run right abhi. And we want it our way. And then we are not communicative. Are we able to communicate? हमको जो मन में है वो खुला बोलने का. Alcoholic नहीं बोलते. An alcoholic is a person who can never share his feeling. वो कभी भी नहीं बोलते. वो अंदर से उसको जो बोलने का वो नहीं बोलते. वो हर चीज को रिवेंज लेने के लिए या इसके लिए उसके लिए वो रिसेंटमेंट में चला जाता है. या yes. So it also means, see, if you see, there are a lot of things according to selfish. When it says selfish, it is also selfish means my way of looking at things. My way of looking at things means not looking at the other way. Where I have been dishonest. No, apart from that, there are many things which you go through the big book study guide. It has given you many character defects. These are all an example. For example, dishonesty is drinking and not going to my job is not a honest way of doing things. So that comes under dishonesty. But the book says the exact nature of our wrongs means that comes at the fifth step. Exactly what we did. So this is, you are taking the inventory. Why is my life not going well? Why am I having problem with my brother? Why am I having problem with my wife, with my boss, with my friend, with my society, X, Y, Z? So that will come to know not by finding others' mistake, finding where I am wrong. So when I find out where I am wrong, my attitude towards that person changes. When you do the first step, your attitude towards your brother will change. Yes, that is why I read for you. I don't know whether you remembered. So in that, wait, I'll make you understand that one. So because it's very confusing for many people. See here, if you take page 67, it says, referring to our list again, putting out of our minds the wrongs others have done, we resolutely look for our mistakes. Where had we been selfish, dishonest, self-seeking and frightened? Though a situation had not been entirely our fault, we tried to disregard the other person involved entirely. Where were we to blame? The inventory was ours, not the other man's. When we saw our faults, we listed them. We listed them. That is what is the faults, my wrongs, whatever. So that comes on the fourth column. No, that is what I am trying to tell you. See the so we saw our faults, we listed them, we placed them before us in black and white. Black and white means we wrote. We admitted our wrongs honestly and were willing to set the matters straight. It is not just writing and leaving at that. So there is something else has to be done. So now you are asking something. Yes, dishonesty, selfishness, self-centeredness. Now dishonesty means there are so many things connected to that. What is dishonesty is if I am doing something against what I have said or made others to believe, वो dishonesty हो जाता है. So that becomes a dishonesty. So dishonesty is not only in one aspect. For example, if I am not doing my job properly, I am, whatever the excuse may be, that is dishonesty. Not going to the job. So this is something which cannot be done in 1 hour or half an hour. This has to be done by reading from chapter 1, from doctor's opinion, because this is a process. And the first step, it is your ego, it will come in the way. It will not allow you to do the first step. So I have seen many alcoholics coming till the third step, and the first step they will run away. The first step is because you have to face yourself. Who wants to look at themselves and find their wrongs? But if you have to survive this disease, if you are a chronic alcoholic, you will have to do this. So again and again the step 1 says that you are powerless over alcohol. That means no human power is going to help you. And you are going to drink and die. And if you are not going to take certain actions, you are not going to survive this disease called alcoholism. And if you stop doing this, something called untreated alcoholism comes back. That is, your ego comes back. So I will just rush through the balance in other... Are you all in the mood to listen?
Yeah.
Okay, now...
Can I just step in for 1 minute? Right?
Yeah, please.
Thought it was important. So, guys, I came across this woman, right, who was in rehab and, just over a talk, because the counselor, etc., how they are, they couldn't get her to talk and things like that. She was a chronic alcoholic of about 4 or 5 years, right, and she used to drink. Now, this woman, while we as male members of AA, we don't engage with women, because I was there for a workshop, she kind of came and talked to me, and she said she hated men, she hated her husband, right, and she was drinking for almost 4 or 5 years, and it was scary drinking. She had a child and things like that. And when actually you started to, talk to her and delayer her on the resentment, her top of resentment list was her uncle. And apparently when she was 9 years old, her uncle had, molested her. And it was a terrible thing to do when she was 9, and she came out with it, and she blurted out as asshole, bastard, and all those kind of things, whatever the... And then I asked him, so where's her uncle now? So he said, no, he died in a train accident. He died in a train accident. And now when you look at the entire inventory of hers, can you tell her she's wrong? Where do you say? You say, okay, name, uncle, cause, because he molested me, it affects my pride, self-esteem, sex instinct, it affects everything of mine. Social instinct, I can't look at the world in the eye. Where are my wrongs? Can you give her her wrongs? Now that's the thing, right? The issue is, it doesn't matter who is wrong in this. What matters is you will drink and die. So what we got to do is we got to disregard the other person altogether. And regardless of what your wife or your brother is doing, the fact is that whatever they do, it is you who are going to drink. It is us who are going to drink and die. Our wives or our brothers are not going to drink and die. Neither is the uncle, because he is drunk and he's died in a train accident long. So you know where she was wrong? There were 2 points. One is that she couldn't let go, and the second one is she couldn't forgive him. These were the 2 things, because now there are greater perils, right, which we face, and when we sit with our sponsor, it goes deeper, because you have to be willing to go as honest as possible. And there are complications after complications, and we got to delayer the onion together. But what we must realize is, regardless of who this is, right, I drank every time India lost to Pakistan. I drank in vengeance. Right? But the fact is, it is so stupid. Who is to fault if India loses or India wins? The fact is that we got to decide, regardless of what is taking us to a drink, and what is the number one offender? Resentment. So we got to see the exact nature of our wrongs. Yes, sir.
Earlier example which you had given about this girl who was molested by her uncle. So what does she write in the 4th clause?
So I just said it. The 2 things where she's going wrong. See, the uncle is long time dead. One is that she is not able to let go, and the second one is she is not able to forgive. And that resentment plays around with her mind. And I could only tell her, God bless you, you need to take a sponsor. And some way, you got to earn the strength to forgive this person, because that resentment is weighing on you so much that you hate men, you hate your husband. Her husband was a fine gentleman. He's taking her to rehab all the time and things like that. He says, you need to understand that if you don't let go of this, you're going to drink and die. Right? So what we need to understand is, wife's never going to drink and die. Boss is never going to drink and die. Somebody else is not going to drink and die. It is us who is going to drink and die. So regardless of if that other person is hitting me, forget, that's a very extreme example. If I carry a resentment, my umbrella will come up, I will shut myself from the sunlight of the spirit, and I will wither away and drink and die, because resentment is the number one offender. That's the load that's going to carry away. So this fourth step is to take a look at our inventory through our resentments. Because from our resentments, you remember that chart, we can get to know our instincts. From our instincts, we get to know our selfishness. And what we got to do is get it out by root. Therefore, it's the spiritual malady that needs to be overcome, saying, behind everything, is it my selfishness, is something that I need to see. If not, we need to learn to forgive. Otherwise, I will drink. Right? So that's a status quo. Yeah, we get a little intelligent after that, but that's why sponsors are for. Right? So that's the thing.
Okay, before I finish, now we've got 10 minutes. I want to tell you, this fourth step is not complicated at all. What complicates is the alcoholic mind. Because at every step, alcoholic will rebel. Alcoholic, बेवड़ा को क्यों इतना आसान लगता है? मेरा बीवी गया, बच्चा गया, नौकरी गया, इज्जत गया, वो गया. The simple thing is, we are not willing to listen to the other person's idea. The book is the solution. So whenever I speak here, you have to understand I am not speaking for A as a whole. I never share my opinion or my ideas. So I speak from the book because that is the precise message. And I have taken more than 12, 13 people through the steps. They are all doing well. They are all having sponsors. And this is a basic requirement, because the primary purpose is to stay sober and help another alcoholic achieve sobriety. Achieve means there is some effort involved. Like material, spiritual जैसे, material world जैसे, spiritual world में भी मेहनत करना पड़ता है. तो फल मिलना है तो मेहनत करना पड़ता है, even in the spiritual world.
So,
yeah.
So this is a step workshop according to the big book.
Yeah.
It's only according to the big book.
Yes.
There is only one message, and that's the big book.
Now again we'll finish it. And 1 minute.
So
Sir, let me finish later on. Whatever recovery you should take is from the big book, because 12 and 12 is not our basic text. And nobody does that recovery from the 12 and 12 as far as the big book is concerned. 12 and 12 was written almost 14 years later. 17 years later. And if you read page 174 of 12 and 12, it says, until otherwise, each AA member does the suggested 12 steps to the best of his ability, he certainly signs his death warrant. You can find that in page 174, I think it's line 16 or 17.
So you disregard the present one?
I do not disregard. When you are wanting a recovery, you should go to the big book. That is all I say. You can regard or disregard anything, whatever I say. It is your opinion, your idea. This we are only conducting a book workshop which is from the big book, and that is a basic text.
I was under the impression that this is a steps workshop.
Yes, steps workshop. The steps are from the big book only.
And that you clarified now.
Yeah.
I was not aware of it.
You thought it is from 12 and 12.
I thought this is a steps workshop.
Okay. So now coming to step 5, I'll just briefly run through. A lot of people will be asking why we have to do this step. ये पांचवा पैरी क्यों करने का? तो if you take page 72, second paragraph, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9th line. 9th line it says, if we skip this vital step, we may not overcome drinking. So what it says is, if you are not going to do step 4, you will drink. If you don't do step 5, you may not overcome drinking. You are very close to overcoming. So this is where it is. Time after time, newcomers have tried to keep to themselves certain facts about their lives. Trying to avoid this humbling experience, they have turned to easier methods. Almost invariably, they got drunk. So when you are doing the fifth step, whatever is there in your heart which you have kept as secret, जो secret रखा है, उसको खुला एक इंसान से बात करने का. वो स्पॉन्सर हो सकता है, नहीं तो आज बहुत priest है. They are all trained. You can go and tell. Now, then he says, having persevered with the rest of the program, they wonder why they fell. मैं सब किया, क्यों मैं ये हुआ? We think the reason is that they never completed their house cleaning. They took inventory all right, but they hung on to some of the worst items in the stock. They only thought they had lost their egoism and fear. They only thought. All that thought is written in italics. That means it was only to convince my thinking. Yes. So I was not doing it honestly. So once you understand that, then you come to page 75. I just want to read the promises. You take second paragraph. It says we pocket our pride. Again, a condition is there. Pocket your pride means government ko jeb mein rakho. Illuminating every twist of character, every dark cranny of the past. Once we have taken this step, withholding nothing, we are delighted. इंसान का कभी डिलाइट आता है जब ये अच्छा खबर मिलता है या अच्छा फीलिंग हो, कभी एक बोझ निकलता है. सो ही फील्स डिलाइटेड. वी कैन लुक द वर्ल्ड इन द आई. दैट मीन्स देयर इज नोबडी बिगर देन मी, देयर इज नोबडी स्मॉलर देन मी. वी आर ऑलवेज इक्वल बिकॉज एन अल्कोहलिक कैन नेवर लुक at either he will depend on a person or he will try to dominate a person. He can never look at another person as an equal. Then we can be alone at perfect peace and ease. This is what once drink was giving. इसके लिए जाके दारू पी रहे थे. Now this step is going to give you peace and ease. Our fears fall from us. अभी पेड़ से पत्ते गिर रहे, पेड़ तो हिलता नहीं. वो सीजन आया तो अपने आप गिरता है. The season is the cause, the leaves falling is the effect. The fears falling is the effect, and fifth step is the cause. You do the fifth step, the fears fall. These are all the promises because these people have experienced this. And then he says, we begin to feel the nearness of our Creator. It does not say that we understood. That's very important. We begin to feel, you cannot explain that. There is something happening inside you. जैसे दही, दूध में दही थोड़ा डाल दिया, पूरा रात देखो, सुबह वो दही हो जाता है. और मालूम नहीं कैसे वो ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन होता है. That psychic change, what we are talking about. Then it says, the feeling that the drink problem has disappeared will often come strongly. We feel we are on the broad highway. Oh, sorry, I missed one very important. We may have had certain spiritual beliefs, but now we begin to have a spiritual experience. So that means it is not in the 11th step or the 12th step you are going to have. From the 5th step it starts. From the 5th step to the 11th step you have got enough experience, you can pass it on to someone. So we begin to have spiritual experience. So if anybody is asking, when will I get a spiritual experience while doing is this. The next question is, what is spiritual experience is my ideas, emotions and attitudes will change. The feeling that the drink problem has disappeared will often come strongly. We feel we are on the broad highway walking hand in hand with the spirit of the universe.
Just one question. At this point we are saying the word drink problem.
Yeah.
Are we talking about the disease or are we talking about our egoism and character?
See, where does the drink problem stem from? Where does it stem? What is the cause of our drinking?
Mostly a low self-esteem.
No, it is low self-esteem. 100 things you can tell, but basically it is the secrets which we have kept inside and the resentments we had. Why an alcoholic drinks today? I'll give you a small example. When an alcoholic looks at the future, he is filled with fear. बहुत डर लगता है. फ्यूचर देखा तो उसको मालूम है अंदर से डेली दारू पी रहा हूं, मेरा लाइफ अच्छा नहीं होगा. कभी भी बीवी छोड़ के जाएगी, नौकरी जाएगा, हेल्थ खराब होगा, लिवर जाएगा, सब मालूम है उसको. तो फ्यूचर को वो कॉन्फिडेंटली देख सकता, डर लगता है उसको. पीछे देखा तो गिल्ट और रिमोर्स, क्या क्या कर चुका मैं लाइफ में, कैसे था मेरा लाइफ इसे. तो whenever the mind, human mind is impossible of staying in the present. It will always go to the future or it will go to the past. How many people are really here? Many people are thinking what time I'll go and have dinner, sleep, tomorrow what is the program? Because our mind is programmed like that. So that is why the book says, there is one who has all power. This we read daily in our meetings, how it works. But there is one who has got all power, that one is God. Here they have not said higher power and as I understood him, misunderstood him. He is put very clearly. May you find him now. Why they said may you find him now is God is always in the present. He is not in the past or the future. So he says we are going to walk hand in hand with the creator of the universe. So, if at all I have to conduct my life, I said that I am going to turn my life and will over the care of you means now God is going to take care of your business. And that is why you are holding his hand and walking hand in hand with him in the broad highway. But you can let go of that anytime. So if you understand in a nutshell, this whole program it is spiritual by nature. अभी देखिए, अभी जितना है वो जो भगवत गीता का फ्री रीडिंग न्यूज़पेपर में आता है, कितना लोग जाता है उधर? भगवत गीता सुनने के लिए आपका अर्जुना का स्टेट ऑफ माइंड आना चाहिए. आगे क्या करूं मैं? मारूं क्या उसको? नहीं मारूं क्या सही है क्या गलत है? इतना कंफ्यूजन में आना चाहिए. तभी आप जाके उधर बैठे हो. ऐसे हुआ आपको ये क्यों आया? हमने ये सब पढ़ के इधर आके स्पीकर बनने के लिए नहीं आया, मेरा जान बचाने के लिए किया. So again I want to very humbly say that we are not experts in this. We are telling our experience. And for heaven's sake, read that 164 pages. Because if you are an alcoholic, your recovery depends on the information which you have and act on that information. It is not hearsay. ये अंदाजा कुछ नहीं दिया इसमें. Very clear cut specific directions have been given. And in this he says, I'll just finish off with that. ये पेज 75 में कितना प्रिसाइज है ये बुक बोलने के लिए मैं निकल रहा हूं. ये बोल रहा है फिफ्थ स्टेप को जब होने के बाद उसी पैराग्राफ नीचे, रिटर्निंग होम वी फाइंड अ प्लेस वेयर वी कैन हैव क्वाइट फॉर एन आवर. इट डज नॉट से 56 मिनट्स. इट डज नॉट से 2 hours. It says exactly
1 hour.
So the book is so precise. Let me. So हर सवाल का जवाब एक ही इसमें नहीं दे सकते और कुछ सवाल का जवाब हम ढूंढने का. तो because we are seekers, sought through prayer and meditation to improve my conscious contact with God means you have to seek. अभी बच्चे लोग आके हमने बता रहे चॉकलेट लेके आया बच्चा, घर पे रखो, ढूंढ के ले लो. तो बच्चे लोग भागेगा, 5 मिनट में थक जाए वो लोग. अभी बताओ बेडरूम में है, हॉल में है? बेडरूम में, कौन सा बेडरूम में? 15 मिनट के बाद आके बताएगा हमको चॉकलेट नहीं चाहिए, जाने दो. दैट इज ऑल द सीकिंग कैपेसिटी दे हैव. सीक मीन्स यू हैव टू सीक व्हाट इज माई ऑरिजिन, व्हाई एम आई लाइक दिस, व्हाट इज माई प्रॉब्लम. और मीटिंग में हमने कितना बार सुना, हमने सुनने के लिए सीखो और सीखने के लिए सुनो. तो हमको सुनने का भी सीखना पड़ता है, बिकॉज वी आर नॉट गुड लिसनर्स. सो इट इज नॉट टू हर्ट एनीबडीज फीलिंग, बिकॉज द बिग बुक इटसेल्फ इज अ वेरी डिस्टर्बिंग बुक. इट थ्रेटन्स आवर लाइव्स मेनी टाइम्स. It is not a very happy thing to read. It tells you how hopeless you are, because when a person is about to die, there is nothing to joke or be ambiguous. And we have seen many alcoholics die. And we cannot forget our fellowship from where it has come. The 100 people had so much of struggle to do. So we have to see where we pick our information from. And it is the responsibility of each AA member. And again I am telling you, you got all the right to agree or disagree. But we are dealing with 100 people's experience, which this book has been read by theologians, metaphysicists, religious heads of all religion, psychiatrists, social workers, behavioral therapists. Nobody could find a hole in that. Because जब ये एक इंसान उसका ताकत से बड़ा कुछ कर रहा है, बिल डब्ल्यू का बुक लिखने का ये नहीं है एक्चुअली. ही कैनॉट राइट बिकॉज वो बीवी का पर्स से चोरी करके पी रहा था. ही हैज रिटन ए चैप्टर टू द वाइफ्स. वो बंदा काम ही नहीं किया लाइफ में. ही हैज रिटन ए चैप्टर टू द एम्प्लॉइज. ही इज नॉट ए थियोलॉजिकल पर्सन और ए फिलोसॉफिकल पर्सन. ही हैज रिटन ए चैप्टर टू द एग्नोस्टिक. जब एक इंसान उसका ताकत से बड़ा कुछ काम कर रहे हैं, वो उसका ताकत से नहीं है, उसका पीछे और बड़ा ताकत है. तो वो ताकत है किताब को लिखा है, और उसके ऊपर मेरा जान को रख के मैं किसी का ओपिनियन में नहीं डिपेंड करता हूं. और कभी कभी सच बोलने का भी हिम्मत चाहिए. बिकॉज वॉट यू आर गोइंग टू फील, इफ आई फील अबाउट योर ओपिनियन, देन आई मे लूज योर लाइफ. आई एम नॉट बॉदर्ड अबाउट योर ओपिनियन. राज क्या बोल रहे हैं, अच्छा बोल रहे हैं, बुरा बोल रहे हैं, वो नहीं है. सच बोलना पड़ता है जो इसमें है. ये मेरा सच नहीं है, ये 100 लोग का सच है जो रिकवर्ड. एंड टुडे व्हाट हैज हैपेंड इज द फेलोशिप एंड द प्रोग्राम हैज गॉन टोटली अवे. वी आर सेइंग ऑल रॉन्ग थिंग्स. Bring your body, the mind will come. The problem is in the mind. How the mind will come? The mind will not allow the body. Take your time. The book says, do it with the desperation of a drowning man. Why it is suggested is, they say the program is only suggested. Why it is suggested is, no spiritual thing is imposed. If it is imposed, it ceases to be spiritual. It becomes religious. ये करने का ये है. A spiritual thing is not imposed on you. It is suggested. And these 12 steps are spiritual by nature. So, do I have the willingness to do? Do I have the honesty? Do I have the open mind? And my home group is Good Shepherds. I've got a sponsor who is 38 years. Even today, I listen to him. I don't argue. All these years, whatever he has said, I never liked. But I have done it. Because I don't like, because my thinking does not suit his. So in recovery, I have to do things which I don't want to do. I have to listen to things which I don't like to listen. And I have to change, which is going to be impossible. But I have to do it. All this I have to do, or else I cannot quit drinking. So again we come to step 1. We do all these things. We all say step 1 is 100% step. 100% step का मतलब क्या है? If you understand that you are a porous or alcohol, it means you have to do all the 12 steps. It does not mean that you have understood your this first step and you will quit drinking. And AA is not knowledge of this big book. AA is not reading and understanding. AA is not sharing. Though it is all a part, AA is nothing but action and experience as a result of those actions. Anybody have any doubt? I hope you guys enjoyed, and if anybody have been disturbed, it is good. Because out of disturbance only, because I was like my sponsee, he was disturbed by what I said. But eventually he came. Because the truth generally will disturb us. It is what will make you think. And the message to an alcoholic should carry depth and weight. अगर प्यार से ठीक होता है तो मम्मी और बीवी से ज्यादा प्यार हम ये मेंबर क्या दे सकते हैं?
डाउट है
या
मोरल इन्वेंटरी जो मुझे सही लगता है या जो मेरी सोसाइटी को सही लगता है. अगर कोई चीज मैं कर रहा हूँ सोसाइटी की नजरों में वो गलत है, लेकिन मुझे बार बार प्रेयर्स करने के बाद भी वो गलत नहीं लगता, तो क्या वो गलत है या सही है?
नहीं, आप क्लैरिटी नहीं. आप क्या कीजिए, आप बिग बुक 164 पेज पढ़ा पूरा? नहीं, हैव यू रेड और नॉट? नहीं, अभी क्या करने का, आप सवाल पूछने से पहले एक बार पढ़ लो. पढ़ के एक बार समझ में आना चाहिए. And Professor, I thank you very much because you have been so kind to, volunteer. It was very nice and you spoke so many things. We will not take anything in a lighter mode or funny because these are all human experience. We share your feelings And I'm very happy for the attendance here. People have been very kind, very tolerant. And sometimes when I speak very मतलब बहुत harsh होगा या तो very. The reason is this message generally an alcoholic it bounces off. और जैसे एक बीज डाला वो फेड होने के लिए 3 चीज चाहिए, सनलाइट चाहिए और वो एक सीड चाहिए और सॉइल बराबर होना चाहिए. सॉइल पानी, सॉइल हार्ड है तो नहीं होगा. तो दिस द अल्कोहलिक हैज टू कम टू अ स्टेज विच इज कॉल्ड ए टीचेबल स्टेज and that alcohol alone brings him. So once more I want to thank Alok ji for conducting this. It's not a very easy thing, calling so many people. Some of the people have come from Jaipur, some from Delhi, Chandigarh, far off places, and I'm very, very glad to see, I'm very passionate about this. Why I'm passionate about this is because I also make meetings. Please understand that I'm not against the fellowship or the meetings or whatever it is. But we as a fellowship, we have to understand from where we have come, what is our history. And our disease does not go by just sharing our problems. We are only telling in the meeting what is untreated alcoholism. मेरे को ऐसे हो रहा है, वैसे हो रहा है. That is untreated alcoholism. So we cannot ignore the steps. So I am very